Hi friends, let me show you this new water softener cover that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really nice because, as you know, your water softener could be outside like here, could be inside a room, but most of the times you will find it outside, and it will be getting dirt and air and maybe rain. So it's nice to have a cover to protect them. This is a universal size cover, okay? You can put it in well, a wide array of uh, water softener. Okay, you open it from the back like this. Okay, we're going to put it on top of the softener, so you can see. Okay, and you use the velcro in the back to fix it to the softener. You see, it covers the back of the softener also. As you can see, the cover has this clear plastic part of the cover, which you can see and even hit your softener's control, and you are able to charge salt, put new salt with this zipper, so you don't have to get the cover off to fill your tank's salt reservoir. Okay, so this is a nice cover. You can use it also in some other kind of appliances, like maybe water filters, but it is same for water softeners. Okay, so if you have a softener outside of your home, it is a good idea to have it covered with these kind of covers. You can use the softener and have it protected from the wind, sand, rain. So thank you so much.